is the non-stop.
Jesus. What's going on, guys? Today on the Rotary Shop, we're going to be working on the one thing every car guy hates to work on. That's right, wiring. Now I'm going to be rewiring the O2 sensor directly back to the computer and removing the piggyback connection I have set up for my wideband gauge. It is interfering with the way the computer sees the O2 sensor readouts, so it needs to go. Before we get started, these are the tools you're going to need to get the job done. Soldering iron, wire cutters, wire strippers, and heat shrink tubing. So let's get started. Okay, all I'm doing here is cutting off the piggyback, stripping off the wires, joining the light colors and soldering them together, and finalizing it with heat shrink tubing to make it all look neat. And that's how you get this this all squared away. Now this cage is no longer working, but that's all right. I'll find out another way to get a readout so I can physically see what's going on. But that's how you get it done. Alright guys, if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna attempt to drop a video every Wednesday, so stay tuned for that, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.